Hello everyone, today we are playing activity on role playing. So doctor, who is a doctor? A doctor has a very important place in our society. Doctor treat sick people and also give proper advice. Relate to health and doctors treat patients in hospitals and clinics. The doctor has nurses and compounders for help. Today I am playing the role of a doctor. What happened?
My head is spinning.
What why from how many times you had been spinning?
From some time from on earth.
Have you fever?
Just my head is heavy.
Wait for some time. Oh no, you are a fever. Take this medicine.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for giving my video.
Hello everyone, I am a writer. I write books, stories, novels, etc. Yes, writing is also a profession, but you have to do more hard work. You have to be a creative. Okay, now let me write something.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Today we are preparing activity of role playing, and my role playing is a lawyer. A lawyer is professional who is qualified to offer advice about the law or represent someone legal matters. A lawyer can also be called an attorney, a solicitor, a counselor, a barrister, or pejoratively, an ambulance caser. Lawyer, of course, means one who practices the law. Now, 7 types of laws. First one is supreme body of law, statutory law, common law, civil law, criminal law, equity law, and administrative law. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sharma. I play an important role in this act. My role is hacker. Hacking is an attempt to exploit a computer system or a private network inside a computer. Simply put, it in the access to or control over the computer network security system for some purpose. The hackers are of 3 types. Ethical hacking, its meaning is white hat. Cracker, its meaning is black hat. And third word and last is grey hat. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am dancer. A dancer is a someone who dances for fun, as a hobby or for a job.